Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Atmore local and long-distance movers near me. Are you planning a move and you need a cheap Atmore moving company? 3 Movers offers affordable prices and dependability. When you choose to work with us, you can move your home or business fast. We know how to get you settled in at your new location sooner, no matter how far you need to go. Our team works with homeowners, veterans, students, renters, and business owners. When you need to move one state over or across the country, you need the right long-distance moving team. Our team offers all of the following options. Packing services. We do the packing and the unpacking for you. Everything is properly protected. You can count on us to save you time and protect your belongings. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies and packing materials provide you with everything you need to do the packing on your own. An on-time move. We always show up on time, ready to get to work for you. Our team doesn't delay your move on moving day or throughout the process. Upfront pricing. Let us provide a free, transparent moving quote to ensure you get the cost you need to set your moving budget. Licensed and insured. Your things are fully protected with our movers throughout the entire moving process. Our team is ready to help you with your long-distance move. We know how to make the process easier no matter how far you need to go. A move of 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles can be done by our team faster and easier. Let us make relocating easier for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Atmore moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.